Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market, and I'm here today with the silver chart with the levels for silver. If anyone interested in buying or planning to buy the silver, they can watch this video for the good and right levels. So to know the silver levels, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel also for the stock market updates. So I already made the video for gold levels. If someone interested in buying the gold, they can watch the good level or they can start the SIP also. I have already made the video. I am giving the link on I button. Please check and go through that video. It's very important if you're planning to buy the gold. And today I'm making the video for the silver. If if someone is planning for the silver also, as you all know, the gold is already down, was down for from its all-time high 20 around 28%. अभी 26-25 के आसपास आ गया है. So 28% around it was down from its all-time high, and the same is like silver. Silver is also down even more than 50%. Around it touched the lowest level recently from its all-time high. It has touched the lowest level and made the more than 50% means if I talk 52% fall. So silver has given the 52% fall, which is not at all normal. That silver is very volatile. गोल्ड धीरे धीरे गिरता है और धीरे धीरे ही बढ़ता है, बट सिल्वर का यही है, बहुत वॉलेटाइल है. इट विल गो ऑन और इट विल गो ऑफ. सो अभी 50% डाउन है. एज आई ऑलरेडी कीप डिस्कसिंग दैट सिल्वर का इंडस्ट्रियल यूज इज going high. Silver का use like solar panel, semiconductors and all these things are using silver, and इसलिए इंडस्ट्रियल यूज इसका बढ़ता जा रहा है. So we can see the good prospective for the silver. So if you are interested, it's okay. If you're not interested, you can go for some other stocks or something else. But I am making this silver video for someone who interested in buying silver. The good level can be, you can, I can study the chart only. सिल्वर यहाँ से नहीं गिरेगा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सिल्वर और भी गिर सकता है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सजेस्टिंग डोंट इन्फ्यूज योर full money in one shot. Always you can start the SIP. 50% down means very good fall. तो यहाँ से थोड़ा बहुत SIP स्टार्ट की जा सकती है if you are interested then. So overall I can say you can see the chart and understand from its all time high of 4,20,000. Okay, 4,20,000 say it has come till here. Then again it will be reversal and then again taken the support at this level and then again fell down after this move. After that, this US Israel Iran war, it started falling more, and you can see it has touched the lowest level of 2 lakh around. Even I will say 1,99,000. तो 2 लाख के आसपास ये पहुंच गया था. From here, good buying happened in this silver, and you can see बहुत ही अच्छी buying हुई है. The buyers took it to the level, this level, and then from here it is consolidating, I can say, or it is like accumulation happening. So this level also like you can say 2,25,000. Earlier the good support was 2,25,000 and it has broken after war. It has broken this and touched the 2 lakh level also. So 4,20,000 से 2 lakh तक आना silver means who all have missed earlier in 2025, who could not buy the silver at 1 lakh 1,20,000 level, they can also start accumulating little bit from here. 2 lakh is a very good level. अगर ये 2 लाख को भी ब्रेक कर देता है और नीचे चला जाता है तो आई कैन से इट कैन इवन मे रीच टू द लेवल ऑफ 1,85,000 also. I don't know, but till here if you also can start small means small quantity थोड़ा सा सेव कर सकते हैं तो you will not like नहीं जाता है तो you will not say that you missed it. So small chunk should be invested here. So 2 lakh is very very good level, very very good price in to buy small chunk, which is 200 means long term मूविंग एवरेज ऑल्सो फॉर द सिल्वर. और यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा सपोर्ट होता है. इसके बाद तो काफ़ी फिर डाउन हो जाएगा. तो आई विल नॉट से कि इसके नीचे भी लेना चाहिए. जब तक यहाँ तक 2 लाख का लेवल विल बी ओके. और 2 लाख के लेवल पे यू कैन सी अ गुड बाइंग हैज कम. यहाँ से ऊपर गया और अभी ऊपर ही है, मतलब अच्छा रिवर्सल लिया है यहाँ पे. तो 2 लाख विल बी अ वेरी गुड सपोर्ट. ऊपर जाके यस, हियर इट विल बी अ good resistance for the silver. May take pause here to like 50,000 around. अगर सिचुएशन ठीक नहीं होती है तो इट मे कंसोलिडेट विद इन दिस लेवल, दिस टू लेवल, दिस 2,50,000 और 2 लाख के बीच में. लेकिन अगर सिचुएशन बेटर होती है, 2,52,000 को भी ब्रेक करता है, तो 2,85,000 तक भी जा सकता है. आई एम टॉकिंग शॉर्ट टर्म टू मिड टर्म. यहाँ 4,20,000 जो इसका हाईएस्ट लेवल है, ऑल टाइम है, और 4,20,000 है. वहाँ तक जाने में ऑफकोर्स इट विल टेक टाइम. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग शॉर्ट टर्म, आई ऑलवेज टॉक लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टिंग. तो लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए यू हैव टू कीप पेशेंस, यू हैव टू हैव पेशेंस एंड वेट टू फॉर सिल्वर टू रीच ईयर. मैं नहीं कहती कि यहाँ तक नहीं जाएगा, ऑफकोर्स जाएगा, बट यू हैव टू definitely wait for long term to reach for silver to reach here. बट ये एक शॉर्ट टर्म टू मिड टर्म का लेवल दिखता है 2,85,000. अगर सिचुएशन बेटर होती है, ये वॉर का सिचुएशन बेटर होता है, तो यू वांट फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म, यू कैन be invested. And for long term, as long term perspective for the silver is very very good, just I discussed. I'll mention the silver buying level who all are interested to invest in silver. The 2 lakh level is very good level for buying silver. Start with small chunk sip. If you missed your 2 lakh 25,000, also a good support level for the silver. Reaching 2,52,000 will be a resistance for the silver, and breaking 2,52,000, it may reach to the 2,85,000 also. But if you are invested for the long term, silver will definitely give you a good return in long term, breaking all time high of 4,20,000 also possible in long term. So like and share this video for those also who are interested to buy silver at good levels, and share this video with them also, and subscribe the channel also.